A new dog family has been found over here. As you can see, there is a small puppy over there. Yeah, this one is a small puppy, and there are two adult dogs. Maybe one is mama doggy, another one is, I don't know. So they used to live just behind of my home, means the building where I live. This family used to live just behind of this building. Let's see their reactions if I call them out. Come on, hello. There's no reaction. They're not interested to interact with me, I guess. Hello. Oh, they're moving. Come on. Over here it's winter and they don't have any kind of blanket or any warm place to live in. This is so pathetic and very sad, literally. And whenever I see this kind of scenery, means there are lots of dogs and small puppies over here. So whenever I see like they are starving day after day and they don't have any warm place and a blanket or anything to sleep over, it makes me so sad. Okay, keep them in your precious prayers. Oh, there are lots of puppies over there, not only one. My goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4 members. Oh, I didn't expect actually. And last 2 to 3 days I have been noticing only one puppy, but I didn't think that there would be so many puppies over here. Come on. There's a building over there, as you can see, and there's a family living over here. And it's been a long time. I have been noticing that in this building, the building was locked actually. Nobody was living over here. But last 2 to 3 months, it's been, I think, one family has come over.